Hi folks, I am Greg McLawsen. I am the Affidavit of Support lawyer. I help green card holders enforce rights under the USCIS Form I-864 Affidavit of Support. Here is the first thing that you should do if you think you are owed support from your immigration sponsor. Ask for it. So people often make the legal process more complicated than it needs to be. When we think about filing a federal lawsuit and getting in front of a federal judge and drafting complaints and motion practice. That's all a way of solving a dispute. You've wanted something and the other person won't give it to you. Before you get into any of that, the first thing you've got to do is ask for the thing you want. Under the Affidavit of Support, a sponsored immigrant has the right to financial support necessary to maintain them at an income equal to 125% of the federal poverty guideline. That's about $1,400 a month. That means if you are a sponsored immigrant and you're unemployed, you are entitled to $1,400 per month from your immigration sponsor. If you're not getting that money, what's the first thing you should do? Don't run out and file a federal lawsuit. Don't even necessarily talk to a lawyer. Just ask for it. People sometimes, I think, underestimate how likely they may be to get a favorable resolution of a claim like that if they simply ask for it. In fact, most Affidavit of Support claims, and I've worked on a lot of these cases, most of them resolve through a negotiated resolution. That's a settlement agreement. Absolutely, some of these progress all the way through litigation. But most of the claims at one point of the process or the other will involve the parties sitting down together, figuring out what's owed and how it's going to be repaid. So that sort of cooperative resolution is the norm and is what you ought to pursue right out of the gate. So if you have a question about the Affidavit of Support, happy to talk to you. We do free consultations all across the United States. But you can also, as somebody sponsored by the affidavit, start the process by just asking your sponsor for what it is that you believe you are owed. And I think you might be surprised by the willingness of the other party to work with you on that, especially if they know that the other option is going to be talking to a lawyer like me somewhere down the line and maybe dealing with the federal lawsuit. Hope that's helpful. If you have questions, feel free to drop them into the comment. If you want a confidential case assessment or would like to set up a free video consultation, go to our website. We work with folks all across the United States. Take care.